Thieves and scammers, Marian and Danuta Golemo, owners and operators of Golemo Travel Agency, 3543 Millbury Street, Worcester, Massachusetts, 01610.
The owners of the aforementioned business during the years of 1988 to 1994 have stolen several millions of dollars from their clients. The agency was licensed to transfer funds to Poland and other European nations. In 1994, Marian Golemo escaped and went into hiding. The business continued to be run by his wife, Danuta Golemo. The victims affected by the crime tried to reclaim their losses through the Worcester courts. In each case, the owners of the Golemo Travel Agency were found guilty of their crimes. Due to lack of insufficient funds on part of the Golemo Travel Agency, and due to Marian Golemo's escape and hiding from authorities, it was impossible for the court to make restitution to their victims. In July of 2010, federal agents found and arrested Marian Golemo. He lived under an assumed name of
Andrzej Kurdyka
in North Carolina, where he established a car dealership. He obtained very large bank credits under the assumed name, which turned out to be the name of his long-lost deceased cousin. In 2011, the courts in Worcester found Marian Golemo guilty of swindling his clients. Marian Golemo and Danuta Golemo's net worth is in excess of $1 million. The current case in the United States Bankruptcy Court, located at 595 Main Street, Worcester, Mass. 01608, in case number 1143196. The presiding judge's name is Judge Henry Boroff. On October 22, 2013, the presiding Judge Henry Boroff decided that the criminals Marian and Danuta Golemo would suffer tremendous injustice if their properties would have been sold and the victims were compensated for their losses. We would like to mention that the aforementioned case has been continuing for more than 20 years. The perpetrators, with their premeditated theft, have created a great injustice to hundreds of their clients who have lost all of their hard-earned money. They preyed on the newly arrived to this country Polish immigrants who were not familiar with the English language and who were forced to favor the one existing agency, which was the Golemo Travel Agency. The victims trusted the Golemos, who were their countrymen, and the Golemos, in a savage way, stole all their victims' hard-earned money. This tragedy has led 4 individuals to commit suicide, and many others have suffered greatly from both psychological and physical illness. Only a small number of the victims have survived to this day due to the lengthy legal process, which has continued in excess for 20 years. We would like to request that this injustice of the United States Bankruptcy Court in Worcester and of Judge Henry Boroff be published in a multitude of media, in the press, on television, on the radio, on the internet. We question, are the U.S. courts more interested in protecting the rights of the criminals rather than those of the victims? With regards to the victims of the Golemo Travel Agency,
Tadeusz Nawrocki, Marian Chmura, and many more.